Don't deviate yourself from nature. Move towards nature. That will make you to realize everything under the art. That will make you to realize the maximum aspects under the sun. Love is universal. Lust is individualized. Physical sharing. That's it. Individualized physical sharing is lust. Love is universal. That makes the earth to revolve, rotate, or any other. And we should not forget to. That was expressed by one student. Love is husband and wife, or parents and children. Lust is a man and woman.
Fantastic, sir.
That for the words that we uttered as answer for the first question itself can also be repeated here as an answer. The more you reduce the distance between yourself and the nature, the more you can realize this. That's all. By means of reducing the distance, or by means of reducing the obstacles, barrier in between nature and yourself, you can realize what is eternal, blissful, and what is fruitful, like that.
Okay.
That is it. We are speaking about the survival of this earth. Who knows? Who are we to give an authoritative reply to the question? How many earths or this type of earths would have gone destructed earlier itself? Who has the record? So, creation and destruction is there in the nature's cycle. Even if you try to control this destruction or the annihilation of this universe, it cannot be your decision. It cannot be your wish. You can be only a witness to the happenings. This, as I said earlier, this might be one among the thousands of years that would have got itself destructed earlier. And we can speak about these things. We can, up to a certain extent, we can make ourselves not to be a part and parcel of the destructive process. That is the level we can do something for the preserving of this earth. If we assume that we could preserve. Otherwise, it is a nature cycle that may be termed in our words as destruction. That may be even termed as regeneration, rejuvenation, like that. Rejuvenation is nature cycle, which we term as death and destruction. International Humanism University. Low cost quality education for all. Low cost quality health program for all. And it should be a roof in which the global leaders or global pioneers who spoke for the common man should be given the due recognition. Any soul in search of getting the divine blessings or divine insights of those leaders should throng to this universal university, humanism university, named under Spark. This is our target. Full exhibition of nature. A colorful exhibition of nature. If it is replicated to the nearest of those nature means it can be real. And it should touch the core of the person who understands it. And it cannot be understood by art. It cannot be understood by art. In true politics, there should not be, there is no need for election, there is no need for competition. There will be a solution for me. All those persons who claim to be the citizen of those systems, that can be the real politics and team. Otherwise, it is a profession or game by some individualistic, selfish persons who play at the cost of its citizens. That is what is happening throughout the world, including India. What we speak as science is secondary level to that of religion. And what we can term as nature is the primary level. If we rank like this, nature is primary, religion can be termed secondary. Even the distance between the primary and secondary is very vast. And the third stage can be given to science, where the real distance between the nature and science will be very, very, very vast. This can be the order. Any cup of water that you drink was once drunk by some other person. From my point of view, it is self-explanatory. But whatever we perceive, or whatever is tangible, or whatever is experienced by any individual is a recycled one. This is nature. It is not as many persons call this is a first thing. This is more or less created for me, like that. In spiritual or in divine aspect, one may say that it is created for me. And we should erase that word created. It is recycled for you. That was once used by some other person. It was in some other form. So having this as premises, we can simply understand that whatever we use is a recycled one, recycled by nature. And it was once used by some other person. And a Negro used apple excreted as a ficus can be once again tasted as an apple by a Brahmin of India. There are masters. To speak frankly, they are our masters. They teach us a lot. Sometimes we consider it as nuisance, and I myself scold and shout at the persons who are nurturing those cats. But they are really our masters. They are masters. They make us. They are with us They are with us. They have been sent to us to teach us many things. And it cannot happen for everybody. Also, they are our partners. Are agents of nature. Based on science, of science, or the established science this question that human beings are six senses. Human beings are having six senses, and whereas these animals are having five senses. They could experience, or they could taste, or they could get a foresight. Many things related to that of nature in higher degree than that of human beings. Like that, we can find many great qualities in the animals or cats, which are termed as five sensed by your science. Why don't you view that they have more senses than humans? Either they should have more sense, or they should have no sense. Whatever it may be, that more sense or no sense stage is superior to that of the sixth sense.
Definitely.
So they should be having more senses. In that way, if we argue that we may be having no senses. So animals, are including cats, they are having more senses than that of human beings who claim themselves to be having six senses. And I told you, even in the deathbed, this particular cat is moving towards a secret place, or a very place meant for that to pass its urine or fecal. And this you cannot expect from a human being. Human being like that. This is a small example. Like that, we can speak of many things. Who informed the Andaman Nicobar Island people about the tsunami? Did any of your sixth sense scientists informed them? No.
No, the satellite.
There, many animals and people were saved. Only physical structures were destructed. Like that, we can give lots of examples. So, animals, including cats, are more sensed than the human.
Definitely, sir.
There should be an understanding with that part and that of mutual sharing. And it should move on the rails. The train of marriage should move on the rails of that mutual understanding. Equidistance. If it gets converged, or if it gets extended, your train will get collapsed. That sharing itself should be separated with that of reapers. In railway reapers, no sleepers, they will say. Reapers and sleepers. That the distance should be planned. But it is a wonderful. If this is the understanding level, means that train journey will be wonderful. Otherwise, it will be destructive. Either the rail should not be allowed to converge, or the rail should not be allowed to extend, or like that. Like this, in this aspect, marriage is a wonderful journey. If the rails are allowed to be sail in the same and undisturbed path, that is the level of understanding.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.